Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. This is weekend updates, but again, I'm doing it on Thursday night because I will be traveling this weekend. Let me update you from I was gone last weekend for Garth, and we'll open some Happy Mail and I'll tell you how it was, and I'll probably insert a few pictures because what I didn't think about was at the concert, the Wi-Fi isn't good enough in the stadium. I couldn't upload pictures. I did manage to get a picture on Instagram, but I'm not even sure. It might not have made it there until like midnight West Coast time, because I think it was when the concert actually wrapped up. So we stayed right by the new Raiders stadium in Las Vegas. It was super fun, walking distance to the stadium. So that was perfect, not on the strip or anything. We did hit Hard Rock Cafe. I got a pin because I like to get pins when I travel that say the year and the location. We went to M&M's World because those are the best peanut butter M&M's in the world. I think they sell them really fast, so they're super fresh. I hit a Tuesday morning. I did not make you guys a video because it was not worth it. I did buy this paper for $1.17. There's supposed to be 25 sheets. It's, not maybe the most gorgeous paper ever, but 25 sheets, $1.17, and the back of it is white. They had a bunch of, I can't remember what the brand is, Karen somebody, she's been around for a long time, and they were printed on one side, but on the back, like a big section of it had her brand and her logo. As a journal maker, I don't want that. I don't want your name on there. I want to be able to cut it off. So I just picked up this one, looked all around. I didn't see any 6x6 pads in that store. It was a beautiful Tuesday morning, but the craft section was tiny. I mean, there were a few things, a few good deals, but just not what we're accustomed to. And it was in an area, technically it might have been Henderson, I don't know, but it was in a great shopping area. There was a Michael's, a Hobby Lobby, like everything was there, but there was also a casino. So Mr. Crafting and Relaxing was less excited to go shopping. You probably saw these two items already. I picked them up at the Paper Bunny, which I made a video of and was a fabulous store. Cartabella has that amazing texture on their 12 by 12 paper, so I'm super excited to have picked that up. I don't know that I bought anything else at all. I might have, but it wasn't anything noteworthy, nothing crafty. This is from Heather. Heather is a fabulous supporter and subscriber. And Andrea, look at that stamp, green and purple. Those are probably the only stamps that Andrea ever needs in the whole world. Think happy and be happy. That is so cute. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, look at that. Red, white, and blue. The beach is my happy place, and I don't know if you can tell, but she's got it layered up. So a bunch of these are layered. Oh my gosh, and it is full of stuff. Look at these. Joy. More joy. Oh my gosh, I love these. Kind of nautical. Oh, that's a fun stamp you have there. I like that one. Oh, these are from a May Made It Christmas set. And Heather is working on Christmas. She's doing Christmas in July. And the ornaments and stars are from Photo Play Christmas Memories. But these are from May. In case you see something here that you just absolutely have to have. She was on a podcast called The Creator Pod. And I literally am going to stop what I'm doing right now because I think she told me that before and I forgot to look it up. Okay, I made a note. So she talked about her crafty life during COVID. She was thanking me. I sent her a 4th of July card that had a flag on the front that listed all of the states. It was a puffy sticker with a flag that listed all the states. I think it was from a Pebbles collection. Honestly, I should have bought like 15 of those. I need to go online. I made a note for that too. I need to go online and look for those. They may be my favorite puffy stickers ever. It was a flag of the US, and on the stripes, it listed all the states. And I made that card last year and I absolutely loved it. And then I thought it was time to share it with a friend, not just hoard it. And I love how she stamped the stars around there. Thank you so much, Heather. And I can't wait to hear your voice on the podcast, just because some of you, I don't get to hear you. You just get to hear me. This is from Pam, and Pam is another one of you, just like Heather, where I have gotten to know you because I have a channel and because we have similar interests. We just have fun and talk crafts and oh my gosh. Pam, I just did a napkin project last night, and I used some of the napkins that you sent me before. And I had so much fun, and I thought, I need to get some more napkins. Oh my gosh. Bits of, oh my. And I need to work on my, okay. This one is the amazing one that you had. You sent it to me. I love blue florals. Like, I would literally, if I was walking through a store and there was like one of those tubes of washi, it could be $5 and I would buy it for the one roll. This is so sweet of you to share this with me, Pam. Peace and joy to you this holiday season. How cute. Oh my gosh, look at these blue napkins. So much fun. When I was in the Tuesday morning, I went down the aisle and I looked at the napkins. They didn't really have that many, I didn't think. They didn't have any I had to have. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. And then it flips. Oh, you guys, look at that style. So it sits like this, and then you open it and it has this nice border right here. That's lovely. Okay, she says open after you see the envelope contents. So I think she means this envelope, so I think I'm okay. Oh my gosh, you're right. She says joy and a star on the same stamp was meant to be. Yes, I see the washi tape. The washi is amazing. Yes, she said she hopes this gets to me before I do my July daily. I just today prepped so that I could sit down now with a pen and journal through the 12th, but I haven't decorated fully. So this is fabulous. I'll just put this on a whole bunch of pages. In my July dailies and my journals, that's where I put all the blue stuff that you guys send me in Happy Mail that I want to hoard. Because then when I flip through, I think, oh, Heather sent me this, Pam sent me this, Kathy sent me this. And it just keeps it all in one great spot. I gotta tell you, probably not gonna make cards with this washi tape. Sorry, that's just not gonna happen. So thank you so much, Pam. This is super fun. You guys both sent me really neat stuff. This ribbon is just fabulous. It might have to go on a journal cover. I don't know. I think it needs to go in my July daily. So we'll see. We'll see where it ends up. I haven't done a flip through because I really have nothing to show you guys yet. I mean, I think I'm to the 6th. And of course, I have to journal all about Garth. Okay, let me tell you about Garth. The concert was fabulous. The Raider Stadium has a roof and fabulous air conditioning, so that was great. He did not play To Make You Feel My Love. And I was a little bummed because I had my husband there. This was like bucket list, and he didn't play it. So I don't know. That was a little sad for me, but he played so many good songs. And he also didn't play We Shall Be Free, which when I saw in Eugene, they did this amazing thing where church choirs came down the stairs, filled the walkways, and they all sang it together. And it was amazing. But I should have known, right? He's not going to do the same thing. So I don't know if at his next show, he will do all the same things, you know, how that works. I think he has a couple shows, and then I'm going to see him again in Kansas City, Missouri. So what happened was my friends that I had gone before with, one of them bought tickets, and Mr. Crafting and Relaxing was kind of like, well, if I see Garth in Vegas, I don't need to go again. And then we went, and he was like, hey, we could go. So he's using his miles and his points and getting that all figured out. And that way I get to see my friend Michelle. You know those videos where I had all that stuff from my friend that was moving? That's Michelle. So then I get to go and see her. And that's the weekend before she goes back to work because she's a teacher. So that'll be super fun too. If you told me you wanted a journal, so Nancy wants the Batik and Kimberly, she's in Canada, but we're going to check out how much shipping the green floral one to her would be. I haven't forgot you two. I barely made it to the post office to check my box this week. So I haven't forgotten you. No one else is ahead of you. But I mean, honestly, as I look around, I don't even actually know where either one of those journals are right now. So they must be safe in here. Then I am going this weekend. I'm going to go to my friend Tony, that's like my aunt that sends me happy mail stuff. I'm going to go craft with her. So let me show you what I'm bringing. I did a video where I showed you what I packed up to take to Vegas. This is a driving trip. I'm not sure which vehicle yet. I don't know if it's my Outback or my dad's pickup. I don't know what's going on yet, but we'll figure it out. This is my tub of stuff that I use to sew journals together because Tony wants to learn about that. This is a tub I was shoving stuff in. This is that bag of Noni's trash that I want to make a journal out of. I kind of wanted to do that on camera for you guys just so you could see how junk turns into treasure, but I don't know if that will happen. This is Smash That Small Paper Pad that I've started. And then here's my July daily. I'm hoping to do some more work on it tonight too. Then I'll work on the actual embellishing it while I'm hanging out with Tony. Because I don't want to work on my journaling. That's not a very social activity, right? I can't write sentences and talk. And then this bag, I was just putting my tools and stuff in. That's probably what I'm going to take. I'm not going to take mountains and mountains like when I'm going to the beach. It will be probably maybe one day of crafting, not multiple days. And then my room is a mess. It is just, well, it's not good, people. I mean, I wish some of you really tidy people would come and help. I don't know if any of you are left watching my channel, though. You probably can't take it. You probably just run away. So what else do you want to know? I'll put some pictures in about Garth. It was wonderful. We had a nice trip. I hit a couple stores. The weather was ridiculous. So that heat wave of 115 and 116 that hit Oregon, then we went to Vegas for it, which, I mean, you've got to be insane. But we did it. The other thing, any of you that are going to concerts or NFL stadiums, they only let you take in clear purses if they're bigger than, it's pretty much this. I almost threw my purse in the trash, but Mr. Crafting and Relaxing took it back to the hotel for me. Think about, do you have the right bag if you're going to go? Because for Timbers games here in Portland, I don't think we have that level of rule. And they have a place where you can check your purse in. It's across the street. You have to go stand in another line. You would pay $20. Then you would have to stand in line after the concert to get your purse back out of there. I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I mean, I got my purse at TJ Maxx, and it was a travel purse. The problem is Mr. Crafting and Relaxing knew we were going to have to spend all this worldly time looking for another perfect blue travel purse if it got away. I mean, I probably didn't pay $20 for it. I wasn't going to pay $20 to check it. Then when he saw my Mary Poppins stuff coming out of it, he was like, I don't have that many pockets. That's a tip for you. The stage, it doesn't matter where you sit. On these stadium tours, don't worry. If you get what they call like a behind the stage, don't worry. It still sounds amazing. It's good. One thing I will say about this, when I went in Eugene was pre-COVID here in Oregon, no roof. The sound was amazing. I mean, I don't know if I've ever been to a concert with that good a sound. The sound at the Raiders Stadium, Garth's mic, you lost lyrics. I asked Mr. Crafting and Relaxing, did his mic need to be higher? And he said maybe the other stuff needed to be lower. So on Ain't Going Down Till the Sun Comes Up, some of the real high energy songs, you lost him. On the ballads, he was fabulous. So, if you know Garth, let him know that, and also tell him, I'm gonna want to hear To Make You Feel My Love, okay? And I would love to have the whole Lonesome Dove. It usually shows up at the end. He does signs, and you get to hold them up, and then people he'll play certain songs. So somebody usually has it on there, but he doesn't do the whole song. What else should I tell you? Basic Gray comes out Sunday morning, I think it is. It's the 18th. Basic Gray collab with Bourbon Creek Crafts, and Stampin' Cat Kathy has joined us on Instagram, so check her out too. I think that's it. I'm very curious to see what I get done and what I have to show you when the weekend is over. And thank you so much for Happy Mail, everyone, and I hope that you're taking good care of yourselves, and I hope that we're right about this vaccine, because if we're not, I probably shouldn't have hung out with 75,000 people. Just saying. But, I kind of had to. Oh, and thank you guys so much for your ideas. If you heard, I think it was in the last update, about the vellum that I saved for 20 years. I know, that's weird. I found, when I was doing something else, I found happy anniversary and they lived happily ever after. So I'm thinking these might get worked into that card also. Are you guys fascinated by how many projects I start? And the fact that I actually do finish some. Look at this counter over here. It's crazy. These are from the grandma that I got this stuff from. This is the food that the tiny cat eats. And I scrubbed these, but I think I need to scrub them again. Somebody said that pet food bags are like using Tyvek. I don't know that they meant the foily ones. I think they meant those more paperish ones. But anyway, I used them. I saved this for a journal. I think it would be nice for a fat journal. I have another one somewhere. Here we go. If you have 2 boxes of the same size, that's super handy. And if you haven't tried those marshmallows with the chocolate in the middle of them, get those. Just give up on the regular marshmallows and buy the marshmallows with the chocolate in the middle for the rest of your life. They're amazing. Thank you, Noni, for finding them. I think that's it, people. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend and that you're crafting and relaxing. And, I have not filmed all the videos from the beach yet, so we'll get there. I don't think you guys have seen a flip through on that one. That's probably why it's still sitting in the counter. And then I haven't done anything with those pet ones down there for my sister. But I've been thinking about it, and I think those are too commercial, too scrapbooky for her. I don't know if she's going to love those. I always worry about making stuff for her, so I might change one of those out. I'm not sure. Thanks so much for watching, and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.